Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching Oblivion Star. So guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Navya Agarwal and guys, please take out a moment and subscribe my channel below. And guys, in today's video, I am going to do a get to know me tag video so that you all can know me better. And guys, I know this is little late for this video, but it's never too late. So let's get started. Like 2 days back, I posted a story on my Instagram handle, and guys, if you're not following me Instagram, you can go and check my profile. So guys, one by one, I will answer all your questions and I'll keep my answers short and crisp. So let's get started. Guys, first question is, आप कहाँ से हो? So guys, I was born in Delhi and brought up in Gurgaon. Second question is, what is your favorite season? I think my favorite season is spring and autumn. Third is, what makes you laugh the most? I think talking to my best friend makes me laugh the most. Yeah. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I love spicy food, though it makes me sweaty and cry, but I love it. How do you cope up with stress in real life? I just listen to music and take a small nap. Shoes or bag, what would you choose? I think I would choose both of them. Okay, if there is a real choice, I'll choose shoes. Next question is, what are you passionate about? I think currently I am passionate about my career as well as about my YouTube. Next question is, do you collect anything? So guys, at this point I do not collect anything, but when I was a child I used to collect currencies. Next question is, what do you do to make a better person? I simply listen to my mom's advice. So guys, next question is, what were your main fears of starting the channel? So guys, I think I didn't have any fear of starting the channel and I was very confident and I had to start the channel. That is the reason I started it. Next question is, what are your strength and weakness? So guys, I think my strength is I am very confident, I am brave and I am very hardworking. And मुझे नहीं लगता है मेरे में कोई weakness है. Next question is, what is the meaning of Oblivion Star? So guys, ये मेरा favorite question है and जो इसका answer है ना बहुत ज़्यादा deep meaning का है. So मैं आपको समझाती हूँ. So guys, basically Oblivion का meaning जो होता है वो एक forgotten होता है. जैसे और हम इसको link करेंगे star से, sky के. जैसे sky में बहुत सारे stars होते हैं और वो सारे forgotten होते हैं, but then too वो group में सारे shine करते हैं. वैसे I want to shine like a Oblivion Star. So guys, next question is your hair care schedule. I will surely post a video soon. Next question is, what do you want to be when you were small? I want to be everything when I was small. What was your first job? My first job was as a tuition teacher. I taught one kid. Do you love or hate roller coaster? I love roller coaster because I am a very adventurous person. Next question is, tell about the most interesting place you traveled to. I think the most interesting place I traveled to was Srinagar and I love the Shikara. The life of Shikara मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी guys. Next question is, tea or coffee person? I think I am a cold coffee person. Next question is, did you always wanted to start a YouTube channel or you just came up with a thought during the lockdown? I think I always wanted to start a YouTube channel because I wanted a platform where I can express myself openly without any fear. Next question is, long hair or short hair? What do you like more? I like long hair. That is the reason I am having long hair. Next question is, are you a homebody or an outgoing person? Guys, I was a homebody person before the lockdown but मुझे ऐसा लगता है lockdown के बाद I am an outgoing person. Next question is, any advice for people who want to start a YouTube channel but are confused or afraid? Guys, I think I am very early to give any advices because I am a beginner too, but I want to give one advice, that be confident. So guys, next question is, do you listen to what people say regarding you or you just ignore them? So guys, I do listen to about what people say about me, but I do not personally affect by their comments. I take positive comments, but I do not take hate comments. Guys, that was it, and I love to answer all your questions, and I'll be back very soon with another video. And if you think you have known me better, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Bye.